become the president of Nigeria, Igbos are suffering in Lagos. They are crying. They are demolishing their houses and their properties in Lagos. So I want to tell Tinubu and the governor of Lagos State, let them stop this thing they are doing. No good. Why are they demolishing their shops? Tribalism. Since Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, Igbos are crying in Lagos. Some of them don't die. Some of them don't collapse. They are destroying their property and using internet way, letting it back from them. So I'm calling out Lagos State Governor and Tinubu to stop demolishing Igbo's property in Lagos. They should stop it. Tribalism governor, tribalism president. Buhari was the president of Nigeria. So shit do not happen. But immediately Tinubu become the president of Nigeria, Igbos they cry in Lagos. They are demolishing their houses, their shops, everything they have. They want to collect it back from Igbos. They want to collect it from Igbos. I want to tell Tinubu and the Lagos State government they should stop what they are doing. Igbos are not the problem of Lagos. Igbo are not the problem of Lagos. Tinubu and the governor of Lagos State, make una come out publicly and tell Igbos they should go back home than for you people to destroy their property and collect it back from them. So you people should stop all this thing that they do. It's no good. Tribalism is too much. That is why I'm using this opportunity to tell all the Igbos that in Lagos, you people should stop doing any investment in Lagos because there is nothing like one Nigeria. Tribalism is too much. You people should come back east and develop your land. They have collected back. Unless the people are not talking, Eastern governors are not talking because unless the people have sold their birthright. So Lagos State Governor and Tinubu, stop this thing that people are doing Igbos. It's not good. I come out here to protest. What do they do, my brothers and my sisters in Lagos? It's not good. So you people should stop that. You people should stop that. Tinubu, Governor of Lagos State. If you don't want Igbos again in Lagos, give them Biafra. Than for you to take him all their property. He is getting out of hand. See, not only one place, not only 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, more than 10 different locations. Igbo shops, they have demolished it and they have taken it. Their houses, they have taken it. So all this hardship, one bag of cement is how much? How do you expect these people to go and build another house? This is the wickedness. Tinubu, leave Igbos alone. Governor of Lagos State, leave Igbos alone. It's a very wickedness. And God must punish all of you one by one. God must punish all of you one by one. Leave Igbos alone, Tinubu. Governor of Lagos State, leave Igbos alone. It's getting out of hand. Igbos are not the problem of Lagos. Igbo are not the problem of Lagos. You people should leave them alone. They are not the problem of Lagos.